Look,
Okay,
Dad.
okay, okay.
These are the parts, Dad. This is the reason how to make the bird. This is the reason how to make the bird drinking water machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
How you make? You read the instruction with that?
Yeah.
Tell me how you made. Make a drawing.
Look, this first,
What you want to make?
first a straight line.
Yes.
And then this side. And then this side.
Yes.
And then this side.
Yes. What is this?
And then this side, and this side, and this side, and this side.
What is this? Why you are making too many holes inside this one? What is this? I can't understand.
This, you know what it is.
What is this? Tell me.
And do this side.
What is this?
And do this side. And
For which you are making this drawing?
this is the bird drinking water machine.
Bird drinking water
And
machine.
the water comes out from these holes.
What is the function of this machine?
And this is the pipe, Daddy. And this is the pipe. And the A, and the A, and A, and A.
What is this?
This is the glass.
This is the glass.
And the water is falling into the glass.
Okay, then. Yeah.
And the water comes out from the holes more and more. And then it will fall into this glass. And itself, the glass. And then it will pour in, and then the bird will drink.
Bird will drink.
Yeah,
Where you want to fix this machine?
I want to fix it. I want to fix it here.
Not here. Bird will not come here. You have to hang this over the on the tree. I think it will better. Or put on the roof. So tell me where you want to put this water drinking machine, bird water drinking machine?
On the tree.
On the tree. Hang on the tree.
Yeah.
And on the roof too. And you may put inside the balcony also.
Yeah. Daddy, let's take all the pots and hang it.
Yes, we will take out the parts. But first tell me, what is the function of this drinking water machine? How can the water will come and...
Daddy, I told you earlier, the water will come out from all these holes.
Okay, all the holes.
Yeah.
The water will filter from this one.
Yeah.
And when the water will finish in this cup, then how will the water come here? You imagine that one big bird come. That bird is so thirsty. They want the drink plenty of water.
Yeah, Daddy. But the water is inside the machine. He can't break it he can't break the machine because it's so strong.
The machine is so strong.
Yeah, the bird can't break it.
Bird can't break it.
Yeah.
Yes, the bird can't break it. But there must be some technique that the water will fill again inside that one.
Yeah, and the bird will drink again and again and again and again.
And the water will come again and again and again inside that cup.
Yeah.
Is it possible?
Yeah.
How it is possible?
Daddy.
Yeah. How it is possible?
Now,
Okay. First analyze the part. Come analyze the parts. Which part you want to make the bird drinking machine?
first we need too many holes, and then a glass, and then the pipe, and then this is the tank.
This is the tank.
Yeah, and the tank is full of water here, and it goes here, and the holes, and then it comes out. And then
Okay.
it drops from here in the glass.
Okay. Now I think you need first tank.
Yeah,
One tank.
that is one tank.
And
I need the too many holes
You will make too many holes in the tank.
Yeah.
And what you need?
Then we need, and then we need, and then we need the pipe. The water will come out from here and pour it in the glass.
Pour in the glass. You must need pipe and glass too.
Yeah, pipe and glass too.
Yes, and to hang it on the tree.
Yeah, and also on the roof.
You roof.
Yeah.
Put on the roof.
Yeah. I think we're ready to take all the parts.
Yes. Now start. First find a box.
Yeah.
First find a box. Where is the box?